Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a gadget that promises to revolutionize how you connect your devices to larger screens. The TIMBOOTECH 4K 5G wireless HDMI display adapter. This sleek, silver dongle is designed to cut the cords and bring seamless screen mirroring right into your living room, office, or classroom. One of the first things users will notice is its impressive 4K at 30 Hz capability. This isn't just about showing an image, it's about delivering crisp, vibrant visuals, whether you're streaming your favorite movie, showcasing a detailed presentation, or even just browsing photos from your latest trip. The clarity it offers truly enhances the viewing experience on any TV, projector, or monitor, making every detail pop with remarkable precision. What truly sets this adapter apart is its dual-band 5G wireless connectivity. While many similar devices might struggle with lag or interference on older 2.4G networks, the TIMBOOTECH adapter leverages 5G for a much more stable and faster connection. This means smoother video playback, quicker response times for mirroring, and a generally more reliable performance, even when there's other wireless traffic around. It significantly reduces the frustration of buffering or choppy visuals, ensuring a premium streaming experience. The convenience factor is huge. Imagine being able to mirror content from your laptop, iPhone, iPad, Android tablet, Mac, or Windows device without fumbling with cables. This Miracast dongle makes it incredibly simple. Setup is straightforward, allowing users to get connected and start sharing their screen in just a few moments. It's truly plug-and-play for most devices, making it accessible even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. The freedom from tangled wires alone is a game-changer for many setups. And let's talk about range. With a wireless reach of up to 65 feet, this adapter offers incredible flexibility. You're not tethered to your display. Presenters can move freely around a conference room, or families can enjoy content from across a large living space without worrying about signal drops. This extended range is a significant advantage, especially in larger environments where the source device might not be right next to the display. The TIMBOOTECH adapter is a versatile tool for a wide array of users. For professionals, it simplifies presentations, allowing for quick and easy screen sharing without the hassle of finding the right cable or struggling with compatibility issues. For students, it's perfect for collaborative projects or displaying educational content on a larger screen for group study. And for home users, it transforms any TV into a smart display, making it effortless to share photos, videos, or even mobile games with everyone in the room. Its compact, silver design also means it's highly portable, easily slipping into a bag for on-the-go use, ensuring you're always ready to connect. In essence, the TIMBOOTECH 4K 5G wireless HDMI display adapter is a powerful, user-friendly solution for anyone looking to upgrade their screen mirroring experience. It delivers on its promises of high-quality visuals, stable connectivity, and broad compatibility, making it a valuable addition to any tech setup, whether for work, education, or pure entertainment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.